This video is for those who want to send personalized emails to multiple people in bulk and track open emails with the help of BulkMail. All you need is a Google account for this. You can use BulkMail to send emails for greetings, invitations, newsletter, etc. Personal email will be sent to every person from your Gmail account. He will feel that you have sent him a personal email. BulkMail will send email from your Gmail using Google Sheets without requiring you to go into Gmail or write any code. First of all, open Google Sheet, go to add-on and get add-on from extension menu and install BulkMail. After installation, BulkMail will create two tabs named as Template and BulkMail Data. In the template sheet, you have to fill your data column-wise. Blue-colored columns are for variables. You can delete them or add new ones if needed. Do not change the header of the red-colored column. Enter the data corresponding to the header in only that column which you need. Do not enter data in the sender name and reply to column until it is very necessary, so that there is less chance of your email going to spam. The mail ID of the person to whom you want to email will go in the to column. If you want to add someone in CC, BCC, then their mail ID will be here. In reply to column, you can enter the mail ID on which you want to get replied emails. When the receiver replies to you, it will be mailed to the mail ID. Use this only if absolutely necessary, otherwise leave this column blank. In the attachment ID column, if you want to send any file as an attachment into the email, then enter the Google Drive ID or link of that file. For multiple attachments, put in star between the two IDs or URLs. Image ID, image width and image height. These three columns are for when you want to send unique inline image in the mail to each person. Enter the Google Drive ID or URL of that image in the image ID column. If you want to resize that image in each email, then enter data in image width and image height. Wherever this image is to be inserted in the email, write the image in curly bracket in the draft. Due to which the image with this ID will be resized in every email and will come to that place. BulkMail is the first add-on to have this feature. In the schedule date column, enter the date on which you want to send this email. Means now you can set on this date in future, automatic mail will be sent to this person. If you want to send immediately, then no need to enter the date. Automatic data will be updated in the rest of the columns. The status of each row will be updated in the status column automatically. The email sent time of each row will be updated in sent time column automatically. In the remaining two columns, when the recipient of the email will open your email, when and how many times he will open your email, it will be updated automatically. From which you can know that who is opening your email how many times and when. Let's see how to use BulkMail. Step 1. Get design. First of all, we need a design which we will use to send email. For that, go to your Gmail and create a draft. You can use variables to make the email recipient feel personal. Write the name of the column header in single middle brackets in the draft. Like we have written first name and note here. So when you will send the email, then what is written in your column will go to the written email. For example, in the mail sent to John, instead of the first name, John will be written. You can also add images. While designing the draft, keep in mind that there should not be any email signature. You should start designing the fresh blank draft only. After designing the draft, come to the sheet. Press Configure from BulkMail from the extensions menu. Select the subject of the draft you have designed here. The row number 8 mentioned here means that the design of the draft will be saved on row number 8 in the BulkMail Data tab. On pressing the Save button, the design of the Gmail draft will be saved on row number 8 on our sheet. BulkMail is the first add-on that even gives you the code for Gmail's drafts. Developers can do a lot more with it. Step 2. Choose design. We have to choose any one design which we have saved in the Design BulkMail Data tab in Step 1. Here select its row number and subject and press Set. So now BulkMail will use the row number 8 design to send emails. Step 3. Send test email. You can send yourself a test email of any row to check that everything is set up correctly. Enter the row number and press Send test email. Check your Gmail inbox. Check everything. If you make some changes in the draft of Gmail, then in the first step, select the same draft and save the data on the same row number. Step 4. Email tracking. Turn on email tracking to track who is opening your email. Click checkbox and enter the campaign name and save. Step 5. Unsubscribe setting. Tick the first checkbox if you want to provide the option to unsubscribe in the email sent to the email recipient. Tick the second checkbox if you don't want to send emails to people who have already unsubscribed from you. We recommend using this feature. Step 6. Run. After all the settings, when you press the Run button, BulkMail will send emails from your Gmail to all whose scheduled date is arrived. Whenever the email is opened, the data will be automatically updated in the sheet. After pressing Run, BulkMail will automatically check this sheet every day 1 a.m. and will send email to those whose scheduled date is arrived. You can also change this time by going to Set Daily Auto Run in BulkMail menu. To stop sending automatic emails, press Cancel Configure from the BulkMail menu. You can also check other advanced option. First, go to Advanced from the BulkMail menu and set Limit per run so that only this many emails will be sent each time you run. And set Hourly Auto Run from the BulkMail menu so that after every few hours, only that much email will be sent. Due to which your account will be safe. BulkMail is the first add-on which is providing this feature. You can also view graphical reports of all your campaigns by going to the BulkMail menu More Get Campaign Report, in which there will also be a list of all those who unsubscribed you, who opened your email, which of your campaign performed well and many more. Try free BulkMail now.